So Tara and I were so excited when we were asked to market this home. And it's not just because it's 8,000 square feet of luxury.
Although we love that.
We do like that. Or the fact that it has a big resort backyard. Or the fully finished basement with the game room, the movie room, the second kitchen.
But what we actually love most about the property is how beautifully designed it is from top to bottom. The home was designed by the incredibly talented architectural design firm of Soucie Horner, who are based out of Chicago.
And when you live in a home that's this well designed and has this level of symmetry, it really lets you be the better version of you.
Balance, symmetry, order have a magic effect on all areas of your life.
So what would your life be like if you lived here?
Let's find out. So you will definitely read more.
Like actual books with chapters. You would eat more fruit.
And vegetables.
You're gonna cook more.
Both inside and outside.
Your inner artist is gonna come out.
You're gonna finally learn to play an instrument.
Your kids are gonna fight less because their rooms are the same size. You're gonna work out more.
And actually stick to it this time.
You're gonna become great at billiards.
And have more friends.
You're gonna drink that champagne in your refrigerator.
You're going to have family movie night.
And everyone is gonna show up. But what you're not gonna be doing here is redoing. You're not gonna be redoing a kitchen or a master bath. You're just gonna take your stuff out of your box, put it away, and then you're gonna go get in the pool and just relax. So if you're ready to start being the new version of you, give us a call. We're happy to give you the tour. We always have to like cut right there because Tara literally just loses
literally
it.
Can't.
She just crumbles.